House Creatives Ambush Interview.
Hoy!
What's your name and what you do?
My name is Migs and I'm the writer and head strategist of House Creatives.
Yo, since you're the writer, kaya bang ma-duplicate ang million views through scripting? And you have 1 minute to answer that. Let's start.
Okay, yes, pwede. So, kukuha ka lang ng script mo na nag 1 million views na. So, for example, ito yung script na yan. Kakopy mo lang siya. And then, punta ka kay ChatGPT. Very important may ChatGPT ka. So, sasabihin mo lang, hey, Chat, this is a million view content. Can you templatize this and create me a copy-paste prompt that I can copy-paste next time with a new idea? Enter mo lang yan. 30 seconds! Tapos gagawan ka niya ng copy-paste prompt. So, kakopy mo lang yan. Pag natapos na, oh my God, 42 seconds! 42 seconds! So, pwede mo to i-copy. Pwede mo i-copy, tapos paste mo dyan, tapos maglagay ka new idea about Samsung. Then, bibigyan ka na niya ng full script based on the working ad na meron ka na.
Grabe! Sakto 1 minute! So yun, guys, grabe, sobrang valuable. So anything that you want to say sa mga viewers natin right now?
Karamihan sa mga content creators, akala nila kailangan nilang gumawa from scratch. When in reality, you just have to go out there, see what works, then paulit-ulitin mo lang, i-duplicate mo, i-replicate mo for your brand.
Yun, so thank you so much and punta naman tayo sa mga next stuff natin. So stay tuned sa next video.